Some lawyers believe that when you are charged with a DWI based on a blood test, there is nothing that can be done. My name is Steven Hernandez, and I know from experience that this is false. With the right training and experience, DWI blood cases are easier to defend than breath test cases. At the Hernandez Law Firm, our number one rule when it comes to forensic science is there is no trust me when it comes to the state science. First, we make sure your constitutional rights have not been violated. In order to comply with the U.S. Constitution, police officers must first obtain a warrant for the blood draw or have an exception to the warrant requirement. The most common exception is consent. Failure to have a warrant or consent could result in the suppression of your blood test results. This means they could not be used in court. Even if you did consent, such consent could be challenged if it wasn't knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily given. Second, we will look at the blood draw. Unlike a blood draw for medical treatment, in a DWI, certain procedures must be followed to assure the sample is free from contamination. Next, we make the state establish the chain of custody for the blood vials as they make their way to the forensic chemist. In a typical blood draw, there will be at least 5 people who handle the blood tubes. Finally, blood tests can be challenged by attacking the storage and analysis of the blood. Just because the lab reports a certain result does not mean those results are accurate or free from contamination. If there is a problem with the results, I will find it. Of all the attorneys in New Jersey who handle DWI cases, very few have completed the rigorous blood testing training and have the knowledge and experience to fight your case. I have over 100 hours of forensic science training, and I understand and have run the various machines that will be used to analyze your blood and know how to challenge those results. In fact, I have been invited to speak before other lawyers on the importance of good forensic science in the municipal court, and I've taught other lawyers how to defend blood cases. If you have been charged with a DWI and they took a blood sample, then don't waste your time with lawyers who don't know the science. Call the Hernandez Law Firm and see the difference that our knowledge, training, and experience can make.